Unhealthy foods are everywhere. We're bombarded with unhealthy food messaging every single day. The community garden allows for residents to be able to access healthy whole foods that are nutrient dense, that can help prevent diabetes and heart disease and other chronic illnesses. The garden came to be by providing a vision of how a community can increase access to healthy foods as a way to support community health with the administration of Lake Region Healthcare. And the administration quickly jumped on board as a champion by helping acquire the donated land that you see behind me that is now known as Lake Region Takes Root Community Garden. SHIP has been involved in the community garden by allowing us to participate in the planning process since the inception of the community garden. They help provide us connection to key resources and relationships in the region, such as University of Minnesota, who allows to come and be a part of the garden to help us look at ways to be more efficient so we can grow more food in more efficient ways to better serve other people.
It makes me feel really good just because there's a lot of people in my community that, you look around, you don't think there's people that need it in this small community, but there's a lot of people that still need good, healthy food, and it makes me feel like it makes me feel good because I'm a small part of that, I guess.
Personally, being involved in the garden is one of my favorite parts of my job. It's one of those things that I can work on, doing what I'm supposed to do as an employee, but can also feel really good about it personally.
The garden produce goes directly to families in need. It goes to the Women, Infants, and Children's program all throughout Otter Tail County. It also goes to 3 area food shelves in Fergus Falls, Battle Lake, and Pelican Rapids.
The people who receive the food tell us it is making a difference, that they do have food insecurity, that they know that improving their health needs to involve eating more fruits and vegetables, but that's an expensive thing to do and not always really that feasible for them, and this does make a difference. The community has been extremely supportive of this garden, from individuals to service groups to grants. It's been amazing to see how the contributions have come in both locally and even regionally.
What's growing in the garden is everything between A and Z. It can be beans and peas, zucchini, carrots, radishes, beets, potatoes, tomatoes, peppers, squash, you name it, it's all growing there.
Where we see this community garden in the next 5 years is much bigger than I would have said even a year ago because of the progress that's happened just in the first 2 years. I think that we'll see it thriving, growing, hopefully utilizing every square inch of this space that we have, and hopefully touching even more people.
I honestly believe that the community garden will be a model for other communities to follow. We are putting a lot of resources into studying and evaluating how we are doing things in this community garden, and the eyes are upon Fergus Falls on watching how this garden is being built and managed, and that we will be able to share lessons learned with other communities so that they can too experience the same success that we have.